In this video, I will be showing you how to design a pop-up display in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll head to the search bar on the Canva homepage and type in pop-up display to see what templates are available. I'll browse through the results until I find a layout that works for my event. I'm going to select this beige and black Instagram story template. Once the preview opens, I'll click Customize this template to bring it into the editor. Now that the design is open, I want to add some custom graphics. I'll go to the Elements tab on the left and search for a cute, healthy bowl. I'll click over to the Graphics section to find a style that matches and then select one to add it to the page. I'll drag it up to the top, resize it, and center it right above the main title. Next, I'll start updating the text to reflect my specific menu. I'll click into the first label and change cheesecake to quinoa bowl. Then I'll update cookies to baked salmon and change cupcakes to chia seed pudding. Because that last name is a bit longer, I'll go into the text settings to adjust the line spacing and the width of the text box so it fits perfectly in the design. With the menu items set, I'll move down and update the event details. I'll click on the date to change it, and then I'll adjust the time and the location address. To give the design a final polished look, I'll go back to the Elements tab and search for some realistic food photos. I'll find a couple of high-quality images of healthy bowls and drag them directly over the existing photos at the bottom to replace them. I'll double-click the images to crop them slightly so they look just right. And just like that, I've created a custom pop-up display. Thanks for watching.